Well, here we are at the train station, and I got my special travel gloves because I don't want to touch what everybody else is skankily touching. I've shaved my head, it's a cleanly shaven head, so hence my hat won't stay on, so that's always good. It's like Velcro having a hair like this. So here we are at Bristol Parkway. Well, there you go. Now, this is an unusual holiday because my wife's in charge of it. So I don't have to do anything. All I gotta do is turn up. Oh, and another little interesting little anecdote. On the weekend, bearing in mind we're going to Paris, I chopped my foot with an axe. So that's always a good thing. So now, instead of being all smart, I got work boots on because that's the only thing I can wear. So let's go. Look at these notices. Do not ride, do not smoke. Can I use a camera? There she is. The most beautiful woman in the world. Deep in thought. What thought are you deep in, love?
What train? What seat we're on?
What seat we're on? Oh, it's all tricky stuff. Look at all this food and drink. But we're going first class, aren't we, love? Mm-hmm. So if we're going first class, we're going to have free tea, coffee. Mm-hmm. Then we only paid like £200 for free tea and coffee, didn't we? Yep.
Right,
okay.
Here's a little trick for you.
Go on then.
If you buy a standard class ticket and then go and sit in first class, the maximum amount they can charge you for an upgrade is £20. But if you do it in the station, you can pay whatever as an upgrade.
I didn't know that. But you know what she's also doing that no one's telling me? Because of my age, I get a senior rail card. What are you laughing at? Luckily, I've had my 25th wee of the morning. And look at this, I didn't know, but you could. There's a one-way system on stairs? A one-way system on a staircase. Fucking public transport. Can you fucking believe I'm on fucking public transport? Who uses public transport? Look at this one-way system. Oh, we got a one-way system on public transport. Go on.
Man, you deserve a rail ticket.
I deserve what? A rail card. I deserve a rail card. One-way system. There's a one-way system on the staircase, please. Oh, yeah. Public transport. That's what these gloves are for. And the hat. I'm surprised I ain't got a little COVID mask. I need a little COVID mask. That's what I need. Come on, let's get on with it. That food's expensive, isn't it?
We are sorry to announce that
99p for a pan of raisin.
Let me tell you a little story, right? I came here not long ago with the two girls, and on the top they had some flapjacks, and they were all crumbling, and I thought they were samples, so I stood there eating them. And they weren't, they were for sale.
So I mean, public transport, innit? Fucking public transport. To be clear, she said I got to get my own food there. I don't want to get my own food there. Very slow train. Slow train. With no nose. Why has the train got no nose? How does it smell? Bloody awful. So here we are on public transport. So I thought, this is first class. So I thought, have a look at second class. I'm happy to be here because I saw what second class was like. It's like one of those Indian trains. You know, there were people on the roof. I'm not kidding, they were on the roof. What is it, love? Yeah, they were on the roof. I'm just glad to be in first class.
12 tons of Kit Kats got stolen.
Someone's having a long break.
No Kit Kats for Easter.
Oh my god, look at this public transport. Public transport. I love public transport. Oh, we got our first hotel. Oh, that's nice. And what is it? Views of London? Is it Views of London Bridge? Is it views of... Oh, hang on. hat. Oh no, we got the drone of yeah. I like pigeon shit. Where are you gonna sleep then?
Starfish. Why did you do it so close?
What's so close? Look, I'll do it. That's what Charlotte does, isn't it? She does that special.
Oh,
She goes.
thank you.
We're having breakfast at some place that I can't pronounce the name of in the station because we're posh and we don't want to sit with everybody else. Well, no, it said table service only. It said wait to be seated. It said that's for us because we don't want to sit with the poor people. We don't want to sit with the poor people. 42 quid for breakfast. Still cheaper than Novotel in Grenoble. What one are we on, love? 13, and that's number 8. We're going to walk to Paris at this rate. Look at this, love. I can do a sideways one. So what we doing today then? We're having a big and a little beer, but we're not sure about the peanuts. We reckon that's a 50-50 because we don't know where they came from. Oh, we got the executive suite. The executive suite. And look. Oh, I love it. It's like being in Dubai, isn't it? I said Dubai. Dubai. Look, and there's the yeah, that's a bit dodgy. That's the arena where we're going tomorrow night to watch some punk rock band. It is a punk rock band, isn't it, love? Here's the funny thing. There's the Eiffel Tower. Look, you know you can't see it. And there's the taxi stand. And it cost us a couple of bob, but look how far I got to walk from the taxi stand to the Eiffel Tower. I love being English. Yeah. Of interest is we got anti-terrorist things everywhere, and you can't walk underneath it anymore. You got to pay to go in, so only those people paying can go in. Well, okay then. I didn't know that. Looks nice though. Looks lovely. Where are we going, love? We're going to that one, aren't we? That level? Can't be the second level, surely.
2 restaurants, so it might be.
Okay, are we going to be sat with any poor people?
No, not on this price.
Well, that'll be...
That's really naughty.
So, okay, so no poor people then. No poor people. I'm just loving the security. I mean, we used to be able to walk around it, but apparently not. I mean, we can't even walk on the grass. They don't want you walking on the grass anymore. And the glass, at least we can see through it. You can see through the glass. Can't
Good times for a change. See, the luck I've had can make a good man turn bad. So please, 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 let me get what I want this time. Haven't had a dream in a long time. See, the life I've had can make a good man bad. So for once in my life, let me get what I want. Lord knows it would be the first time. Lord knows it would be the first time.
Still busy at work. Is this because you wanted the video on your own?
No, I just want everyone waiting behind me. How many more now?
9.
No.
20?
That way.
None.
Well, it doesn't feel like none. And why are you videoing me?
Because this is your fun to video.
It's not fun.
It's fun for who?
It's not. Who is it fun for?
Franny.
Fucking God. Can I go back up and get on the lift?
No, you can't go back. It's further up than it is back down.
I don't believe.
Come on, there's a lot of people behind you.
I'll let them go past me. Oh, sorry.
Hola.
I thought you were joking.
I suppose so. Right then, are you ready? Are you ready to be filmed in your new chair, luxurious chair, whilst I'm sat in somebody else's? No, those up. Just messing around. Look what I paid for it. A foot stand. And somewhere to put your camera. Well, half a camera. No, stay where you are, stay where you are. They actually got a camera holder in here for us. Oh, they got a camera holder here for us. Have you got a camera holder in your set?
Shut up.
Well, have you got a camera holder? Yeah, you got a camera holder. Look. I'm just showing everybody.
Get out the way.
Okay.
Jesus.
And we're back. We're back. Yeah, I knew it was this way. I knew. Was that because we're catching a taxi? You and your taxis? You and your taxis?
Me and my taxis.
Let's get a taxi. What a lovely day. Door runner. He'll never know it. He'll never know it was us. Figaro. Figaro. Figaro, 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 Figaro. Figaro. Figaro, 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 Figaro. Figaro, 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 Figaro. Right. Where's the doggies? Where are the doggies? Figaro. I got some. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Sure. Thank you very much.
Come on, doggies. We got that trusting look about us. 20.